Systems engineering and requirements have always been closely coupled. For that reason, many of the SysML modeling tools have offered means of connecting to requirements management tools, like IBM Rational Doors. In Syndeia 3.0, our platform for model-based engineering, we have introduced an interface to DOORS NG. One goal is to bring DOORS into the same framework as PLM, CAD, simulation, and other engineering software tools that Syndeia connects. A second goal is to support a wider variety of use cases. This includes creating connections between requirement structures in a single step, using a live connection to compare and update information between tools, visualizing SysML requirements connections as part of the total system model. We use standards like OSLC to build these connections, but we also use non-OSLC methods to add functionality where necessary. As usual, we begin with the Syndeia dashboard, our primary means of creating connections. We see our SysML model on the left and our DOORS NG repository on the right. At the simplest level, Syndeia can create a reference connection from any SysML element, like this CUAV block, to an existing DOORS requirement with a simple drag and drop operation. Such a reference connection lets us open the requirement in the DOORS NG web interface from the SysML model. In these examples, we are using IBM Rational Rhapsody as the SysML tool, but could do the same with Magic Draw from NoMagic. A finer-grained connection is created when we drag a requirement into the SysML model using the data map connection. A SysML requirement is created with the special stereotype DOORS requirement and ID and text-tagged values matching the original. If we change something at one end of the connection, like the text in the SysML requirement, we can use Syndeia to compare across the connection. It detects a difference in the text field and can update the elements in either direction as the user desires. The same capabilities are available when we deal with structures rather than individual elements. DOORS NG organizes requirements in collections and modules, which appear in the Syndeia browser. We can, for example, drag an entire module from DOORS into SysML in a single step with the Model Transform connection, linking each requirement with its equivalent. Comparing the models now shows changes in structure as well as individual content. We can also use Syndeia's common visualization capabilities to see the SysML DOORS connections. In another larger model, we see all the tools connected, including Windchill PLM, Jira, Simulink NX, and GitHub, as well as Magic Draw SysML and DOORS NG. Other visualizations start from a single element. Launching that visualization from a SysML activity here, we see the DOORS requirement it connects to, and all the other elements in the total system model dependent on it. We haven't had time to demonstrate all the features of Syndeia's new interface to DOORS NG. Contact us to tell us about your requirements and learn more about Syndeia and the future of model-based engineering.